Okay, y'all. Faces by Snoo, and I'm back with back with another video. As you know, I'm priming my eyes with the NYX white eyeshadow base. We are going in with the Morphe James Charles palette, and yes, I did the slit in the eyebrow today. I had to, so cute. We are using brush number. What is this? Hold on. Girl child, I forgot the name of the brush. This is a Morphe M200 brush, honey. And what we are doing, we are packing that color on to the lid right below the crease. Okay. Reason why we are packing and not automatically going into blending, because we are going to set this base with the eyeshadow. Yes, honey, I said we are setting this base with the eyeshadow itself, honey. We are not, girl, get into it. We are advanced now. Okay, we are here, we are there with it. But yes, we are setting that with the eyeshadow itself. Okay, so we're packing it on. Once we have it packed and pigment and potent the way we like it, we are then gonna blow it out. Okay, we're gonna blow it out to this nice, just succulent thing. Okay, honey. And we're gonna do that on the other eye as well. Of course, what are you thinking? And then we're gonna go in with the next color. Oh, and by the way, I had did my hair, washed my hair before this video, and kind of semi blow dried it, just a little twist out. I did do a video on it. I was gonna upload it, but I deleted it because I'm like, I don't know if I'm really into doing hair video, like natural hair videos, because I don't wear my natural hair a lot. I wear wigs, weaves, all that protective styles. But if y'all want a video on that, let me know. But I'm not gonna make a video if y'all don't want to watch it. Like, who am I? Like, for real. But yeah, you see how we blowing that out? And we're just giving it that airbrush look. It looks like somebody just sprayed it on. Yes, it's okay. Let me tell y'all, practice makes perfect. Period.
Taylor, 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 Taylor.
I ain't never hate nobody this much, tell the truth.
Okay, now we are going in with Sephora's brush. It's a crease brush. That's about it. And we are taking that. Oh no, we're not. I lied. Y'all, I lied tremendously. I'm so sorry, y'all. Okay, we are going in with Juvia's Place brush. And we are using the fluffy crease brush that's pointed, okay? Y'all, no, that is. I lied. That is the Sephora brush. Y'all, I can't see worth shit tonight. But yeah, we are taking that color, we are packing that pink, and we are going to blend it with that purple, okay? I actually recreated this look by Kiki Adams. I'm going to tag her in this video because I was inspired by her. So yes, I'm going to tag her because I'm not one to steal anybody's craft, okay? That's not something I do. But I just recreated. It's not exactly the same look because I'm not, as skilled as her, because honey, she is fat. But then we're going to go back in with that purple and blend it out some more.
Bitch, trick you off these streets, even though these streets so cold. Keep these hoes out your business, cause hoes don't really know business. They just wanna put you in a group chat with all they friends and act like they witness what went down or what goes on. Let me cater to you, I hate that song. How your friend ain't even gotta make.
Okay, so now we got all that, incorporated to blend and air that pink out. We are going in with Crayon Case Shadow Blender brush, okay? It has no product on it, okay? Only reason I'm using this brush with no product is to blend that shadow out. Why would we need more product on a brush if it's already pigmented? No, we're just gonna blend it out. That's it. We're not gonna do all of that here, okay? Say no. Yeah, I'm just gonna keep looking at it. Right now, I'm just taking that small, what is this called? This is a crayon brush, also. And we're taking a small cream brush, okay? And we're using Cool Tan Color Concealer by LA Colors. It's Cool Tan. And we're just gonna outline that just to give it a nice, just to make them eyebrows pop, just to make that crease look more defined. Once we cut it, honey, we're just taking that and just placing a little bit, okay? We got to blend it out on our hand. We placed it on our hand first. We blend it out on the brush. And we're just going to place a thin line between love and hate. So now we're going to place a thin line just to carve out that shadow, make that shadow pop, make that eyeshadow pop. Honey, this is a look, okay? I was killing it on the gram. I was not playing with nobody, okay? I didn't come to play when I did this. Now we are going to, y'all know what we about to do. So I'm not even going to have a lot of music playing because I'm feeling this look. Y'all want to talk to y'all about this. Now it is time. Cut crease time, sis. Y'all know I love a cut crease look, okay? I love a cut crease. See, look at me turning that because this look is just giving, honey. I'm excited. I'm happy. I'm very happy about it. So we are taking that small cream brush again, and we are using the LA Colors Cool Tan concealer. It's the shade Cool Tan. That's how I keep saying Cool Tan. Okay, and we are cutting that crease high. You see where I did not put any of the purple at? That's the guide. That was the guide, okay? If you watch the other eye carefully, you will see why I didn't put the purple right there, because that is the guide to cut the crease. Okay, we want a high cut crease. We wanted to make it look like we have a lot of eyelid base. We make sure we have some big, beautiful, bright eyes. When I have Chinese eyes, okay, they don't look like they're open. But when you do a high cut crease, honey, it solves all the problems. Okay, people gonna be looking and staring, be like, "Who that?" Sorry, but yes, we are cutting that crease high. Okay, cutting that crease, just stamping it across. Okay, we're not taking it all the way across. We just left a little pinch out. Okay, and yeah, y'all know how to cut a crease by now. Come on now.
Advice by the man. Did it ever cross your mind? Because your friends, it's a one night stand. Yeah. Sometimes I hate that I fought with you. 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 I hate the way that you walk. Hate the way that you talk. Hate the way that you breathe. There's some shit you won't believe. I hate the way that you walk. Hate the way that you talk. Hate the way that you breathe. There's some shit you won't believe. Never did it cross my mind that a bitch like you was gon' waste my time. I ain't never been in love, but I've been to the club with a whole bunch of bitches and a whole bunch of thugs. Did my presence attack you? Wasting my time looking at you. I think the time we spent together was millions I couldn't get back to. All that love shit, you could save it. If you tweet watching, don't favorite. One of these tweets about you and me, we'll never ever be what we used to be. Please don't let nobody tell you nothing about me. Still a nigga from these streets and I wear my heart on my sleeve, yeah. Sometimes I hate that I fought with you. 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 I hate the way that you walk. Hate the way that you talk. Hate the way that you breathe. There's some shit you won't believe. I hate the way that you walk. Hate the way that you talk. Hate the way that you breathe. There's some shit you.
Okay, so we are back. We went in with the James Morphe palette again, and we are using that white shade because we are doing a white cut crease high tea. And I'm just using this brush from the Juvia's Place. It's like a flat eyeshadow brush, but it's like a little fluffy. I don't know why people don't name their brushes. Like, what is going on, sis? But yeah, we are using that, and we are just gonna pack it onto the lid. Okay, this is a white color, okay? And it took a long time to pat because, like, I don't know, that color was just not showing up. So I was like, let me just pack. I think I had sprayed the brush at one point in time with the Sleek Life Proof mattifying fixing mist. So I think I did that. But yeah, it took me a while to pack this stuff in one, okay? So once I had that packed on, I didn't take it all the way to the end because we don't do that, sis. We want everything to blend. No harsh lines, none of that, okay? We don't want to see no periods. No, we don't want to see none of that, okay? We want everything to blend seamlessly into each other, okay? Have it look like you came straight from the galaxy, honey, okay? First class, okay? So now we're going to go in and we're going to take that M200 brush that we use for that purple, and we are going to pat and shade and blend it in, okay? As you can see, I shade it, and then I blend it in with that white, okay? We wanted to blend in, like, and I was like, let me do something different, because I normally take my darkest color and put it on the outside where you see that little piece that's still there. I normally take that one and put it out and put the pink in. I was like, let me try something different. It was okay. It was nothing really wrong with it, but I just want to try something different. And then I took the Crease brush by Sephora, and I took that pink and I patted. Okay, I shaded and I blended. Okay, pat, shade, and blend. That's the 3 words. Okay, nothing else. Okay, nothing else. Pat, shade, and blend should be your 3 keywords when you're doing the eyeshadow look. Period. Nothing more, nothing less. Yeah, and I'm just shading it in. I was like, let me just try something different because, you know, but I should have put the purple outside. But overall, it was a great look. So I just did what it did, okay? And we're gonna do that for the other eye. And just have fun, And I don't think I showed my glitter, but I am using, well, I'm putting the Kiss adhesive lash glue on there. Y'all know I live by this. I got this from Kiki Adams also, y'all. I'm obsessed with Kiki Adams. Like, that's my boo. She don't even know it, but like that's like my makeup boo. Like, that's like the person I go to if I need a look. Like, I'm on her page. Like, yeah, I want to recreate her look. I'm inspired. Not stealing it. I'm inspired. So yeah, we are taking that Kiss adhesive. We are placing it everywhere we want that glitter to pop, glow, shine through, sparkle, sizzle, pop, all that. Okay. And we are going to be using Papaya Yum by J Cat Beauty. This series is called Rockin' the Night Glitters. And I didn't even know that they had a green glitter, but I'm going to have to order that. So what I did was I sprayed some setting spray on my brush, and I used a dupe of the Morphe E19 brush. It's the same brush. So I just used it. I just patted everywhere that I wanted that white glitter to show, y'all. When I tell you I was like feeling this look, I showed off. Like, I showed off. Y'all gotta follow me on the Instagram because I showed out. I acted my color. I was all of the above that day. Okay, I was feeling myself. But yes. So everywhere we want that glitter to go, we are just gonna pop it right there. Okay, no big deal. And it's just, girl, let me stop talking.
Oh, oh, oh. Tell me what kind of music you like. Can we let me know? Get jiggy under these lights. I know that it will take a little time.
Jesus.
Let the music control you.
Okay, y'all. So I went ahead and completed the other eye off camera, and yes, I am. You see me bouncing. You see me dancing. I'm playing some young boy in the background, child. I am enjoying myself. Okay, I already applied my foundation. I use Becca Cosmetics, the shade Coca. I don't know how to pronounce that. It will be in the link below. And I went ahead and used, I think, LA Colors concealer. I forgot the name, y'all. I'm laying down, so I'm not gonna get up. But I will leave that in the description box too. And y'all already know I do my thick wing cut liner, NYX liquid eyeliner in black, and I do a thick line. Y'all already know this stop. Using some INV lashes. So yeah. Then I went ahead and contour with my MAC lipstick by, what is it? Antique Velvet, yeah. And then now I'm going ahead and I am applying a highlight, child. You know I had to do the highlight. You know with this look, I had to do a glow. This is a glow. This is a glow, okay? Using the highlighter by the Saharian palette. by Juvia's Place, Volume 1. I'm using Lila, okay? And I just, child, I was not playing. Okay, I was in my bag with this. Y'all, I'm so psyched. I'm so excited that I'm uploading this because it's so beautiful. This is a beautiful look. Look at me posing doing thumbnails. Sit down, sis. And the cut just, that cut in the eyebrow just gave it something to just, I played with this look, y'all. I played with it and I love playing with it. Now I'm just taking a black, no, not a black liner, a brownish black liner, outlining my lips, and I'm kind of bringing it over a little bit above where I outline my lips, okay? Then I'm just using like some nude pink lip gloss that I got from like the beauty supply store. It doesn't have a name on it. Then I will be going in with Velvet. Is it Velvet Teddy? Yes, Velvet Teddy that's from MAC, and I'll be putting it on top just to give it a nice nude brownish just lip something. I don't know. But yeah, y'all, this was a look. This was a look, child. I was just in my bag, okay? And the bun and everything with the diamond. Girl, Nubian princess vibes, period, okay? I'm going back to the motherland to claim what the fuck was given to me, okay? What was owed to me, okay? Past due. I'm just talking, y'all. But, yeah, that's me putting the Velvet Teddy on in the middle of my lips. Y'all already know I use my setting powder, Sasha Buttercup. Y'all know that by now. And yeah, y'all, like, this is just a look. I just ordered some lashes from Lotus Lashes. So can't wait till they come in the mail, because you know I'm gonna do a couple looks for those, child. But I don't think I left anything out in the video, did I? Oh, you know, I had to pop a little blush. I used a blush by Saharian Palette Volume 1, Juvia's Place. And yeah, this is the final look, y'all. I'm sorry I talked so much through this whole process, but y'all, I was pressed. Okay, I was yeah. But thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Good night.
To control you. Let the music control you. Let the music control you. I know you like when I two-step, cha-cha slide.